Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is January 1st, 2023, and we are looking at this weird situation going on right here. This is a summer squash that has survived through 30-degree weather, and it's sitting in a bed, a raised bed with inoculated soil. So it's obviously midwinter here, but the crazy part is it's still thriving. All the rest of them died from the hurricane, from Ian, but this one seems to still be wanting to live. So going forward, this is a summer squash. It's supposed to grow during the summer, but it's growing right now in the middle of the winter, which is really surprising to me. I really never could have expected something like this to work out. But today it's like 75 out this morning, so that would make sense. You can see the sweet potatoes that I have here in a raised bed that I just kicked off are, they suffered a little bit of dieback from the cold, but this is an anomaly. I'm really not sure what to think about this, but we're just going to keep monitoring this summer squash. This is leaves and detritus that has been inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. They help each other in the breakdown of the sediment, and then also the bacteria will produce nitrogen for the plants to feed off of. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that does help the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I will keep you updated on the progress of this summer squash. Have a great day.